Here's the shortened version. Welcome to the tour. In just a few minutes, you'll see all the incredible features this apartment offers. Let's begin. First, the spacious living room filled with natural light and a versatile open floor plan. Next, the fully equipped kitchen with stainless steel appliances and ample storage. Perfect for cooking and entertaining. Moving on to the bedroom, a peaceful retreat with plenty of space for a king-size bed. The luxurious bathroom features a rain shower and elegant fixtures, making your daily routine feel like a spa experience. The outdoor area, whether a balcony or garden, offers a perfect spot for fresh air and relaxation.
To create an AI narrator like the one in this video and use it in your ads, follow these simple steps. Open Google and search for this amazing website. Click on the platform link and sign up using your Google account. Once inside, select your favorite AI character from the available options, or upload your own custom character. Next, type your script, or upload an existing voiceover to bring your AI narrator to life. After setting everything up, click the export button to start the video generation process. Once your video is ready, simply download it and see how amazing the final result looks.
Power and learning is the ultimate adventure. Explore, question, and grow with tools.
Give it a try and create stunning AI-narrated videos effortlessly. For further assistance, watch the full video and check the links in the description.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Technodol. Simply click the link in the description below and head over to the Technodol platform, where everything is broken down step by step. It's all there to help you master the process with ease.